Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging MDCat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is the number of ductless gland lying and different parts of the human body is A 10, B 15, C 20, D 25. So the correct option is D 25. The next MCQ is pituitary gland has a pea-sized weight out 0.5 gram attached to hypothalamus by a stalk. A. Acetobulum. B. Infundibulum. C. Both A and B, and D. None of them. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is oversecretion of growth hormones during childhood resulted in A. Acromegaly, B. Magnetism, C. Goiter, and D. Myxedema. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is the hormone which facilitates parturition is A. LH, B. Progesterone, C. FSH, and D. Oxytocin. So the correct option is D. Oxytocin. The next MCQ is T3 and T4 are hormones secreted by A. Parathyroid glands, B. Pituitary gland, C. Thyroid gland, and D. Both A and C. So the correct option is C. Thyroid gland. The next MCQ is exopithelemia and Crohn's disease are concerned with A. Hyperthyroidism, B. Hypothyroidism, C. T3, and D. T4. So the correct option is A. Hyperthyroidism. The next MCQ is myxedema may result from lack of iodine. The thyroid gland enlarges and protrudes out. A. Endemic goiter, B. Colloidal goiter, C. Cretinism, and D. Both A and B. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is inhibition of Ca2 plus absorption by the intestine and kidney are controlled by A. Tyrosine, B. Calcitonin, C. T3, and D. T4. So the correct option is B. Calcitonin. The next MCQ is under secretion of parathormone cause A. Hypercalcemia, B. Hypocalcemia, C. Hyperoxaluria, and D. Hyporemia. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is a condition of excessive thirst and diabetes mellitus is A. Polydipsia, B. Polyuria, C. Polyphagia, and D. None of them. So the correct option is A. Polydipsia. The next MCQ is glucagon is secreted by alpha cell and actually A. Hypoglycemic agent, B. Hyperglycemic agent, C. Isoglycemic agent, and D. None of them. So the correct option is A. Hypoglycemic agent. The next MCQ is the hormone which is clinically used as bronchodilator and heart stimulant is A. Epinephrine, B. Norepinephrine, D. Calcitonin, and D. Thyroxine. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is vagina is a thin wall tube extend from the cervix to the body exterior having a length of A. 5 to 8 cm, B. 5 to 12 cm, C. 8 to 10 cm, and D. 5 to 12 cm. So the correct option is C. 8 to 10 cm. The next MCQ is the reproductive cycle in human and other primates called A. Heat, B. Courtship, C. Menses, D. All of them. So the correct option is C. menses. The next MCQs is the longest phase of menstrual cycle is A. Proliferative phase, B. Secretory phase, C. Menstrual phase, and D. Both A and B. So the correct option is B. Secretory phase. The next MCQs is ovulation usually occur on the 14th day and responds to the sudden release of luteinizing hormone, which take a time less than A, 24 hours, B, 1 hour, C, 30 hours and 30 minutes, and D, 5 minutes. So the correct option is D, 5 minutes. The next MCQs is the causative agent of gonorrhea is A. Treponema pallidum, B. Neisseria gonorrhea, C. E. coli, and D. Staphylococcus. So the correct option is B. The next MCQs is HIV destroy a type of defense cells in the human body called A. CD1, B, CD2, C, CD3, and D, CD4. So the correct option is D, CD4. The next MCQs is needle used in tattoo art can be an agent for A, HIV infection, B, liver infection, C, lungs infection, and D, all of them. So the correct option is D, all of them. The next MCQs is read panelist lesion card. Density on genitalia is concerned with A. Gonorrhea, B. AIDS, C. HIV, and D. Syphilis. So the correct option is D. Syphilis. The next MCQs is the ceasing of female menstrual cycle at an age of 50 years is A. Aging, B. Menopause, C. Sterility, and D. Both B and C. So the correct option is B. Menopause. The next MCQs is endometriosis will cause infertility as A, male, B, female, C, both A and B, and D, none of them. So the correct option is B, female. The next MCQs is cystic fibrosis will cause infertility in A, male, B, female, C, both A and B, and D, none of them. So the correct option is A, male. The next MCQs is the duct which carries egg from the ovary to the uterus is about 10 centimeter long. It is A. Oviduct, B. Fallopian tube, D. Ovarian tube, and D. All of them. So the correct option is D. All of them. The next MCQs is the cyclic phenomena which recurs each day, each lunar month, each day is A. Rhythms, B. Biological rhythms, B. Biological rhythms, C. Circadian rhythms, and D. All of them. So the correct option is B. Biological rhythms. The next MCQs is the repeated sequence of event which occurs at about 24 hours interval. A. Biological rhythms, B. Circadian rhythms, C. Both A and B, and D. None of them. So the correct option is B. Circadian rhythms. The next MCQs is the animal which are active in the twilight hours. A. Diurnal, B. Nocturnal, C. Crepuscular, and D. Both B and C. So the correct option is C. The next MCQs is cataloging of behavior or action exhibited by animal use in ethology. A. Picogram, B. Microgram, C. Milligram, and D. Ethogram. So the correct option is D. ethogram. The next MCQs is the most basic unit of innate behavior is A. Action, B. Response, C. Art, and D. Reflex. So the correct option is D. Reflex. The next MCQs is orthokinesis and clincokinesis are concerned with A. Learning, B. Orientation behavior, C. Tropic movement, and D. Habituation. So the correct option is B. Orientation behavior. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDcat MCQs help you sharpen your biology skills. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.